Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Mitsubishi Triton GLX single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5397. The shape runs from the 11th month 2018 and is the current shape. It has a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left door appears to have no damage, left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. It has a BOCAR alloy tray with all bolts and brackets. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right door appears to have no damage, right guard has one small dent, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.